हॅलो एव्हरीवन, ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन मराठीमध्ये आपलं मनापासून स्वागत. आपल्याला माहीतच आहे की MS सेट एक्झामला जस्ट 1 महिना राहिला आहे. त्यामुळे आपल्याला वेळ वाया घालवून चालणार नाही. त्यासाठी आम्ही आपल्यासाठी डिफरंट युनिटवर व्हिडिओ बनवत आहोत, जे की तुम्हाला येणाऱ्या एक्झाममध्ये उपयोगी पडतील. आजच्या या व्हिडिओमध्ये मी मार्केटिंग मॅनेजमेंटचे काही इम्पॉर्टंट MCQ टाकले आहेत, जे की तुम्हाला येणाऱ्या एक्झाममध्ये मॅक्झिमम मार्क्स स्कोर करण्यासाठी हेल्प करतील. सो डू वॉच इट. आजचा लेक्चर सुरू करण्याआधी मी आपल्याला सांगू इच्छिते की ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन युनिव्हर्सिटीने आपल्यासाठी कॉमर्स फुल सिलेबस कोर्स आणला आहे, ज्याच्यात आपल्याला 25 मॉक टेस्ट भेटतील, प्रिव्हियस इयर क्वेश्चन पेपर टेस्ट विथ द डिटेल एक्सप्लेनेशन भेटतील, फुल सिलेबस टेस्ट, फुल युनिट नोट्स मराठी आणि इंग्लिश अशा दोन्ही लँग्वेजमध्ये भेटतील, 200+ व्हिडिओ लेक्चर्स मराठी आणि इंग्लिश असं 2 लँग्वेजचं कॉम्बिनेशन आहे आणि पर्सनल अटेन्शन पण भेटेल. टू जॉइन डाउनलोड अवर ॲप ग्लोबल ऑनलाईन युनिव्हर्सिटी और कॉन्टॅक्ट ऑन बिलो गिवन नंबर. चला तर मग आजच्या लेक्चरला सुरुवात करू. विपणनमध्ये विक्री आणि खरेदीला म्हणतात आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत प्राथमिक कार्य, दुय्यम कार्य, एक्सचेंज फंक्शन आणि नफा कार्य. Here the correct answer for this question is option number C. In marketing, selling and buying will be called the exchange function. The main exchange function are buying and selling. Both buying and selling function have their primary objective as a negotiation of favorable term of exchange. This function is concerned with seeking out the source of supply, assembling of products, and activity associated with purchase. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, पीटर डकरच्या मते व्यवसायाचा फोकस नाही पण आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत ग्राहक नफा, नफा ग्राहक, नफा नवीन बाजार, नवीन बाजारपेठ आणि ग्राहक. The correct answer for this question is option number B. According to Peter Drucker, the focus of business is not profit but customers. The purpose of business is not to make a profit. For Peter Drucker, the purpose of business is to create customer. Regardless of whether your business is for profit or not for the profit, we must understand that while profit is essential to support innovation and marketing action, profit maximization is not the primary purpose of a business, but it will be detrimental of society and dangerous to the organization health. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, एखाद्या विशिष्ट उत्पादनाची गरज किंवा इच्छा मागणी बनते जेव्हा आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत उत्पादन किंवा सेवा उपलब्ध आहे, त्याला वीज खरेदी करून पाठिंबा आहे, एखादे उत्पादन त्या विशिष्ट गरजेचे प्रतिनिधित्व करते आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे वरील सर्व. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number B. The need or a want for a particular product becomes demand when it backed by buying power. The next question is, social marketing concept is based upon, and the options are large target market with active buyers, customer satisfaction and customer welfare, realization of maximum profit through service of society, and none of the above. The correct answer for this is option number B. Social marketing concept is based upon customer satisfaction and customer welfare. Sociological marketing is based upon principle of sociological welfare. It emphasizes that an organization must make strategic marketing decisions keeping in mind the customer want, the organizational need, and most important, the long-term interest of the society. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, खालीलपैकी कोणते मार्केटिंगचे उद्दिष्ट आहे आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत ग्राहकाचे समाधान करणे आणि मागणी वाढवणे, संस्थेसाठी सद्भावना निर्माण करणे, उत्तम दर्जाची उत्पादने प्रदान करणे, वरील सर्व. Here the correct answer for this question is option number D, all of the above. Marketing majorly focus on achieving customer satisfaction and maximizing profit. Customer satisfaction, the primary motive of a company is to satisfy the need of a customer, ensure profitability. Every business is a run for a profit, and so goes for marketing. The next question is, exchange concept of marketing deal with, and the options are exchange of product between seller and buyer covering distribution and price aspect, mere appendage to production, achieving marketing success through product attributes, aggressively promote and push the products. Here the correct answer for this question is option number A. Exchange concept of marketing deal with exchange of product between seller and buyers, covering distribution and price aspect. The central idea of a marketing is an exchange of a product between seller and buyer. Exchange cover the distribution aspect and the price maximum of the product. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, खालीलपैकी कोणत्या एकामध्ये सेवा विपणन त्रिकोणाचे 3 घटक आहेत आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत व्यवस्थापन, विपणन एजन्सी आणि ग्राहक, मार्केटिंग एजन्सी, सरकार आणि ग्राहक, व्यवस्थापन, कर्मचारी आणि विपणन एजन्सी आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे व्यवस्थापन, कर्मचारी आणि ग्राहक. The correct answer of this question is option number D. The 3 elements of service marketing triangle are management, employees and consumers. Next question आहे, व्यवसाय चक्राच्या या अवस्थेत रोजगार दर जास्त, व्याज दर कमी, महागाई कमी आणि उत्पन्न जास्त आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत वाढ किंवा समृद्धी, मंदी, नैराश्य आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे पुनर्प्राप्ती. The correct answer for this question is option number A, growth or prosperity. In this stage of a business cycle, employment rate is high, interest rates are low, inflation is low and income is high. The prosperity stage is the highest level of revival phase of trade cycle. In this stage, demand, productivity, employment, people income and the consumption are at the top. As the demand increase for a bank credit and the loans, the rate of interest reached the highest floor, which led to sharp hike in the price. Next question is, which of the following channel of distribution is correct? And the options are manufacturer, agent, wholesaler, retailer and consumer. Second option is manufacturer, agents, retailers and consumers. Third option is both A and B and the last option is none of the above. The correct answer for this question is option number C, both A and B, that is manufacturer, agents, wholesaler, retailers and consumer or manufacturers, agent, retailers and consumers. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, खालीलपैकी कोणता घटक मार्केटिंग मिक्स मध्ये नाही आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत किंमत, उत्पादन, साठवण आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे पदोन्नती. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number C. Storage is not the element of marketing mix. There are 5 elements of a marketing mix, otherwise is also known as 5 P's of marketing, that is product, price, place, promotion and people. Storage is not included in marketing mix. Next question आहे, खालीलपैकी कोणते विपणन व्यवस्थापनाचे नियंत्रणीय चल आहेत आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत पर्यावरण, स्पर्धा, ग्राहक आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे किंमत. The correct answer for this question will be option number D. Price is a controllable variable of marketing management, because price is within the organization. The environment, competition and the consumer are an outside factor which cannot be controlled by the management. Next question आहे, मार्केटिंग मिक्सची निवड यावर अवलंबून नाही आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत संस्थेचे विपणन वातावरण, कर्मचाऱ्यांची उद्दिष्टे, विपणन संस्थेची रचना आणि माहिती प्रणाली आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे वरील सर्व. The correct answer for this question will be option number B. The choice of marketing mix does not depend upon employees' objectives. The next question is, promotion mix is the particular combination of promotional tools used by a company to work with its audience, and the options are plan, communicate, decide and none of this. The correct answer for this question is option number B. Promotion mix is a particular combination of promotional tools used by a company to communicate with its audience. Promotion mix refer to all the decisions related to the promotion of sale of products and the services. Elements of promotion mix include advertising, sale promotion, personal selling, public relation, etc. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे मार्केटिंगच्या 4 P's मध्ये ठिकाण समाविष्ट आहे आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत मध्यस्थाचे प्रकार, जनसंपर्क, कटलेटचे स्थान किंवा दोन्ही A आणि C. The correct answer for this question is option number D. Among the 4 P's of a marketing, place include types of intermediaries and the location of cutlets. The 4 P's are the 4 essential factors involved in marketing a good or a service to the public. These 4 P's are the product, the price, the place, and the promotion. The next question is the concept of marketing mix involve deliberate and careful choice of organization, product, price, promotion, and place strategy, and the options are policies, concept, planning, and all of the above. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number A. The concept of marketing mix involve a deliberate and careful choice of organization, product, price, promotion, and place strategy, and the policies. एक्सचेंजसाठी आवश्यक अटी आहेत आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत कमीत कमी 2 पक्ष सहभागी असणे आवश्यक आहे. प्रत्येक पक्षात असे काहीतरी असले पाहिजे जे दुसऱ्याला आवडते. दोन्ही अ आणि ब वरीलपैकी काहीही नाही. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number C, both A and B. Condition necessary for the exchange are at least 2 parties must be involved, and the second condition is each party must have something that interests the other. 4 conditions must exist for an exchange to occur. The first condition is 2 or more individual groups or organization must participate and each must possess something of a value that other party desire. The exchange should provide a benefit or a satisfaction to both the party involved in the transaction. Third condition is each party must have a confidence in the promise of the something of a value held by the other. And the last condition is to build trust, the party to be exchanged must meet expectations. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे तात्पुरते किंवा कायमस्वरूपी उत्पादन किंवा सेवेची मागणी कमी करा आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत काउंटर मार्केटिंग, मेगा मार्केटिंग, डी मार्केटिंग यापैकी काहीही नाही. The correct answer for this question will be option number A. Counter marketing reduces the demand for a product or a services on temporary or a permanent basis. Counter marketing refers to the use of a commercial marketing tactic to reduce the prevalence of substance use. Counter marketing attempt to counter pro-substance influence and increase pro-health messages and influence throughout a state, region or a community. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे सोयीच्या वस्तू त्या आहेत आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत सहज खाल्ले जाते, सहज वितरित, वारंवार खरेदी यापैकी काहीही नाही. The correct answer for this question will be option number A. Convenience goods are those which are consumed easily. A convenience good is a consumer item that is widely available and purchased frequently with minimum effort. Convenience goods such as a newspaper and a candy are different than specialty goods such as a car, which are more expensive and often carry a greater opportunity cost for the consumer. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे जाहिरात माध्यम ही विविध वाहने आहेत जी महामंडळ याचा प्रचार करण्यासाठी वापरू शकतात आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत प्रेक्षक, व्यवस्थापक, मालक यापैकी काहीही नाही. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number A. Promotion media are the various vehicles that corporation can use to carry their promotion as audience. Here the next question is which of the following is not lead to change in marketing mix of a product, and the options are change in corporate or a competitive strategy of the firm, change in the organization or resources level of the firm. Third option is rigidness in the product lines of the firm, and last option is all of the above. The correct answer for this question will be option number C. Rigidness in the product lines of the firm is not lead to change in the marketing mix of the product. The next question is what occurs when a marketer is excessively preoccupied with the product development, manufacturing or selling and ignores customer needs, want and interests. The options are customization, target marketing, marketing myopia and none of this. The correct answer for this question will be option number C. Marketing myopia occurs when a marketer is excessively preoccupied with the product development, manufacturing, or selling and ignores customer needs, wants, and interests. Marketing is a long-term function that involves anticipating a change in the future and planning for it accordingly. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे मार्केटिंग मायोपियावर मात करायचे मार्ग आहेत आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत ग्राहकाचे नेतृत्व करा, उत्पादन केंद्रित नाही, संस्थेच्या माध्यमातून बाजारभिमुखतेला परवानगी दिली पाहिजे, व्यवस्थापक सक्रिय आणि दूरदर्शी असणे आवश्यक आहे, वरील सर्व. The correct answer for this question will be option number D, all of the above. The next question is good purchase by individual for their own personal use rather than for a business or industrial use is called. The options are convenience goods, capital goods, consumer's good, and none of this. Here the correct answer for this question will be option number C. Good purchase by an individual for their own personal use rather than for a business or a industrial use is called consumer's good. Now what are a consumer's good? Consumer's good or a final goods are a goods sold to the consumer for their own use or enjoyment and not as a mean for a further economic production activity. The next question is when buyers have too narrow image of the brand, this error is. The options are under positioning, over positioning, doubtful positioning, and confused positioning. The correct answer for this question will be option number B. When the buyers have too narrow image of the brand, this error is over positioning. Over positioning is a market failure whereby a brand, product, or a service is too special such that it appeals to few customers. The term applies to competitive position or a product differentiation that may strongly appeal to some customer but not enough to reach a firm sale targets. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे भूतकाळात स्थापन केलेल्या विपणन धोरणे, कार्यक्रम, प्रणाली आणि पद्धती आजच्या काळासाठी वैध आहेत की नाही याचे मूल्यांकन करा आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत गुणोत्तर विश्लेषण, मार्केटिंग ऑडिट, क्रेडिट कंट्रोल, वरीलपैकी नाही. Here the correct answer for this question is option number B. Marketing audit assess whether the marketing policies, program, system and method established in the distant past are valid for today. A marketing audit is a full exposure and analysis of an entire marketing environment of a business, assessing everything from strategies and target to specific marketing activities. Here the next question is traditional marketing focus on what while today's marketer must focus on what as the end result of a successful marketing strategy, and the options are transaction or relationship, customer and profits, profits and products, relationship and transactions. The correct answer for this question is option number A. Traditional marketing focus on transaction while today's marketer must focus on relationship as the end result of the successful marketing strategy. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे उत्पादन यू बद्दल खालीलपैकी कोणते विधान सत्य आहे आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत पुरवठा स्वतःची मागणी निर्माण करतो, ग्राहक हा राजा असतो, फक्त ग्राहकांना उत्पादने विकण्यावर लक्ष केंद्रित करा, वरीलपैकी नाही. The correct answer for this question is option number A. Supply create its own demand is the truth about production era. Supply create its own demand is the formation of a sales law. The rejection of this deterrent is a central component of the general theory of employment, interest and money. The next question is what is the process of dividing a potential market into distant sub-market of consumers with common need and characteristic? And the options are target marketing, differentiation, market segmentation, none of this. The correct answer for this question is option number C. Market segmentation is a process of dividing a potential market into distinct sub-market of consumers with common needs and characteristics. In marketing, market segmentation is the process of dividing a both consumers or a business market normally consisting of existing or potential customer into subgroup of consumers based on some type of a share characteristic. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे विशिष्ट कार्यक्रम सुरू करण्याची प्रत्यक्ष वेळ दर्शविते आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत कार्यक्रम, वेळापत्रक, प्रक्रिया आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे धोरणे. The correct answer for this question is option number B. Schedule shows the actual time of starting a particular program. Which of the following is not part of strategic planning? The options are purpose and mission, objectives, choice of business, and last option is social responsibility. The correct answer for this question is option number B. Objective is not part of strategic planning. नवीन उत्पादन विकास प्रक्रियेच्या पहिल्या टप्प्यात कंपनी कोणत्या बाजारात प्रवेश करू इच्छित आहे हे ठरवते. याला काय म्हणून ओळखले जाते आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत संधी ओळख, चाचणी, परिचय आणि लास्ट ऑप्शन आहे जीवनचक्र व्यवस्थापन. The correct answer for this question will be option number A. In the first stage of a new product development process, the company determines which market it wants to enter. This is known as opportunity identification. Opportunity identification can turn be defined as the cognitive process or process through which individuals conclude that they have identified an opportunity. It helps to check the chance of succeeding in the particular choice of a venture open to an individual through his experience. उच्च प्रास्ताविक किमतीसह उत्पादन सादर करण्याच्या धोरणाला म्हणतात आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत प्रवेश धोरण, स्कीमिंग धोरण, खेचण्याची रणनीती आणि पुश स्ट्रॅटेजी. The correct answer for this question will be option number B. The strategy for introducing a product with a high introductory price is called skimming strategy. Here the skimming strategy is a pricing strategy. It is a strategy where the marketers set a relatively high initial price of a product or services and then lower the price over a time. Next question आहे उत्पादनाची किंमत संबंधित असणे आवश्यक आहे आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत उपयोगिता किंवा समाधान ते खरेदीदारांना देते, विक्रेते किती नफा मिळवू शकतात, पर्यायाची उपलब्धता आणि वरीलपैकी नाही. Correct answer for this question is option number A. The price of product must be relevant to utility or satisfaction that deliver to buyers. Next question आहे सामाजिक विपणन संकल्पनेनुसार ग्राहकांना दीर्घकाळासाठी कोणत्या गरजा आणि इच्छा चांगल्या आहेत हे ठरवण्यात सर्वात महत्त्वाचे कोण आहे आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत संस्थाच, वैयक्तिक ग्राहक, नियामक संस्था, वरीलपैकी नाही. The correct answer for this question is option number A. Philip Kotler defined it as a sociological marketing concept hold that organization task is to determine the needs, want and interests of a target market and to deliver the desired satisfaction more effectively and efficiently than competitors. Next question आहे एक बाजार सरासरी धोरण आहे ज्यामध्ये कंपनी एक उत्पादन एक विभाग ड्रूम फॉलो करते आणि ऑप्शन्स आहे एकाग्र विपणन, बाजार स्थिती, लक्ष्य विपणन यापैकी काहीही नाही. Correct answer for this question is option number A. Concentrated marketing is a market average strategy in which company follows one product one segment group. A marketing segmentation strategy in which the firm concentrates its entire efforts and resources on serving one segment of the product is also called niche marketing. कोणत्या ग्राहक गटाच्या विविध गरजा यावर लक्ष केंद्रित करणे समाविष्ट आहे आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत मार्केट स्पेशलायझेशन, निवडक विशेषज्ञता, उत्पादन विशेषीकरण यापैकी काहीही नाही. The correct answer for this question is option number A. Market specialization involves concentrating on different needs of a customer group. The marketer deals with verifying product in the same product line,
It adopts the product to sell to several different market segments. The marketer deals with one specific market only. He tries to meet many needs of a particular customer group. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे विपणनाची विनिमय संकल्पना कोणत्या आणि कोणत्या दरम्यान घडते आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत विक्रेता खरेदारी खरेदीदार ग्राहक आणि ग्राहक ग्राहक आणि खरेदीदार आणि खरेदीदार आणि खरेदीदार. The correct answer is option number A. The exchange concept of marketing takes place between seller and buyer. The marketing exchange is what happens anytime two or more people trade goods or services. In marketing theory, every exchange is supposed to product utility, which means the value of what you trade is less than the value of what you receive from the trade. Here the next question is, the concept of segmentation is important because it implies an understanding that customers are the same, do not offer, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Here the correct answer for this question is option number C. The concept of segmentation is important because it implied an understanding that customers are homogeneous. Here the next question is, why does segmentation approach to the market is more efficient than the mass market approach? And the options are, because money is spent only on those whom the manager has determined are potential customers, because money is spent on both customer and non-customers evenly, because customers are homogeneous, because consumers' tastes are all the same. The answer for this question is option number A, because money is spent only on those whom the manager has determined are potential customers. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, तुम्ही मार्केटिंग आणि विक्रीमध्ये फरक कसा करता? आणि ऑप्शन्स आहे ते एक आणि समान आहेत. मार्केटिंग हा विक्रीचा एक भाग आहे. विक्री हा विपणनाचा एक भाग आहे आणि वरीलपैकी नाही. Correct answer for this question is option number C. Selling is a part of marketing. Now what is selling? Selling refers to creating product and selling them to the customer. It revolves around the needs and the interests of the seller. And marketing refer to the finding wants of a people or a customer and fill them. It revolves around the need and the interest of consumers. And here the selling is a part of marketing. Marketing is the big concept in which the selling is small concept. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, अर्थपूर्ण ग्राहक अटीमध्ये सांगितलेल्या कल्पनेची सविस्तर आकृती आहे आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत उत्पादनाची कल्पना, उत्पादनाची प्रतिमा, उत्पादनाची संकल्पना आणि उत्पादन वैशिष्ट्ये. The correct answer for this question is option number C, that is product concept. Product concept is a detailed version of an idea stated in meaningful consumer's term. Product image is a way consumers perceive an actual or a potential product. Concept testing refers to the testing new product concept with a group of target consumers. The next question is, खालीलपैकी कोणती किंमत समायोजन धोरण नाही? आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत विभागलेली किंमत, प्रचारात्मक किंमत, मुक्त नमुने आणि भौगोलिक किंमत. The correct answer is option number C, free samples. Companies must adjust their basic price to account for the differences in a customers and situations. There are 7 price adjustment strategies: discount and allowance pricing, segmented pricing, psychological pricing, promotional pricing, geographical pricing, dynamic pricing and international pricing. Where there is free sample is not a price adjustment strategy. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आहे, पीटर डकरच्या मते व्यवसायाचा फोकस नाही पण ऑप्शन्स आहेत ग्राहक नफा, नफा ग्राहक, नफा नवीन बाजारपेठ आणि ग्राहक. The correct answer for this question is option number B. According to Peter Drucker, the focus of business is not profit but customers. The next question is differentiation in pricing for various geographical customer, and options are price skimming, psychological pricing, price variation, and geographical pricing. The correct answer for this question is option number D. Differentiation in pricing for various geographical customers are geographical pricing. Now, the geographical pricing is a practice in which the same goods and services are priced differently based on biased geographic location. The difference in a price might be based on shipping costs, the tax which location charges, or the amount people in the location are willing to pay. Next question is NPD stands for, and the options are New Product Department, National Production Division, New Product Development, and none of the above. The correct answer for this question is option number C. NPD stands for New Product Development. In business and engineering, new product development covers the complete process of bringing a new product to the market, renewing an existing product, or introducing a product in a new market. A central aspect of NPD is product design along with the various business considerations. कोणत्यामध्ये कंपनी स्वतःला आकार किंवा अस्तित्वातील वर्षांची संख्या यासारख्या गुणधर्मावर स्थान देते, आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत लाभाची स्थिती, विशेषता स्थिती, गुणवत्ता किंवा किमतीची स्थिती, आणि वरीलपैकी नाही. The correct answer for this question is option number B. In attribute positioning, company position itself on attributes such as a size or a number of a year in existence. The targeting and development of a product or a service is attribute that match the need and the requirement of our customers in the specific market segments. The match of a attribute to the needs and the want of our customers with the market segments. Next question is, what is screening new product idea in order to spot good idea and drop poor one as soon as possible? And the options are idea generation, concept development and testing, idea screening, and brainstorming. The correct answer for this question is option number C. Idea screening is a screening new product idea in order to spot good idea and drop poor one as soon as possible. Idea screening is a stage in a new product development process which follow the idea generation. It often involves use of scrolling models, checklist, or a personal judgment, and is based on information from experience and market research. The next question आहे देवाणघेवाणासाठी आवश्यक अटी आहेत, आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत कमीत कमी 2 पक्ष सहभागी असणे आवश्यक आहे, प्रत्येक पक्षात असे काहीतरी असले पाहिजे जे दुसऱ्याला आवडते, दोन्ही अ आणि ब वरीलपैकी नाही. The correct answer for this question is option number C, both A and B. That is, at least 2 parties must be involved and each party must have something that interests the other. These are the conditions which is necessary for the exchange. Next question आहे बाजारात नवीन उत्पादन सादर करणे नवीन उत्पादन विकास प्रक्रियेच्या कोणत्या टप्प्यात होते, आणि ऑप्शन्स आहेत व्यापारीकरण, चाचणी विपणन, विपणन धोरण, उत्पादन विकास. Correct answer for this question is option number A, that is commercialization. Commercialization is a process or a cycle of introducing new product or a production method into the market. In this stage, the product is launched, advertised, and promotional activity begins and increase heavily, and distribution pipeline is filled with the product. Next question is choosing a price based upon its a short-term effect on current profit, cash flow, or return on investment reflect which of the following pricing objective, and the options are current profit maximization, product quality leadership, market share leadership, and survival. The correct answer is option number A, current profit maximization. A price setting objective in which organizations set a price for a product that will give a maximum profit, cash flow, or a return on an investment in the short term without regret to long run performance.